السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بحبايبي طلبة وطالبات الصف الأول الإعدادي، منهج جديد 2025. النهاردة إن شاء الله هناخد ليسون 3 and 4 unit 1 page 30. أول حاجة ناخدها النيو فوكاب. temple 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 معبد. obelisk 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 مسلة فرعونية. monuments 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 نصب تذكاري أو أثر. religion 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 دين. repairs 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 دي مكتوب جنبها إن يعني noun اسم إصلاحات. tunnel 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 نفق. helpful 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 الثلاث حروف اللي جنبها ال ADG دي معناها adjective صفة متعاون. helpful متعاون. active active adjective also نشيط. lazy lazy كسول. tourists tourists noun سائحين. statue 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 تمثال. catacomb catacomb اللي silent سرداب الموتى. bank bank ضفة نهر. walls walls جدران. solution 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 حل. smart 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 ذكي. friendly 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 ودود. complete the following sentences using the words in the box. smart helpful wall religion statues. Number 1, there are many of people and animals in the museum. There are many statues of people and animals in the museum. Number 1, statues. 2, my friend is very space. He helps me a lot. My friend is very helpful because he helps me a lot. Number 3, there are 2 posters. في 2 ملصق on the طبعا number 3 هتبقى wall. There are 2 posters on the wall. 4, he is a space student. We all like him. He is a smart student. We all like him. Number 4, smart. Lesson 3, model 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 نموذج. care 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 عناية أو اهتمام. language 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 لغة. underground 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 تحت سطح الأرض. effect 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 معناها تأثير. wind 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 رياح. shape 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 شكل. weather 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 الطقس. temple of Edfu معبد إدفو. the river Nile the river Nile نهر النيل. بعض تصريفات الأفعال. give يعطي gave given. come يأتي came come. spend يقضي spend spent. statue means a model of person, animal or object, sometimes made of stone. obelisk obelisk a tall stone monument with a top that is usually in the shape of a pyramid. مسلة obelisk. catacomb catacomb underground tunnels and rooms for burying the dead سرداب الموتى. temple temple a place where people come together to pray. معبد. Synonyms and antonyms. Ancient synonyms, old antonyms or opposite, new or modern. Active نشيط means energetic. The opposite or antonym lazy. Useful means helpful. Useful means helpful or effective. Antonyms or opposite useless. Interesting means amazing or lovely. Antonyms or opposite boring. Friendly means kind. Antonyms or opposite unfriendly. في بعض السفكسز للاحقات زي FUL وتحول الفعل إلى صفة إذا وضعت في نهاية الفعل. help helpful متعاون. build building مبنى. Okay. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1. The antonym of useful. The antonyms يعني عكس كلمة useful is lazy, helpless, beneficial, useless. The antonym of useful is useless. The word active has the same meaning of energetic. The synonym of ancient is old. Boring is the antonym of interesting. The suffix changes the verb help into the adjective. طبعا helpful يبقى FUL. طبعا احنا قلنا ان بانك دي noun معناها بنك او ضفة نهر. Uncle works in a bank. عمي يعمل في بنك يبقى هنا معناها بنك. Place. إدفو is on the west bank of the Nile. إدفو ده بيدي موقع مدينة إدفو يبقى كلمة بنك هنا على ضفة نهر النيل. Smart يبقى smart تيجي معنى ذكي أو أنيق. Or the synonyms of intelligent. Rahma is smart. She always solves any problems. Smart, well dressed يبقى تبقى معناها أنيق. Basim is smart. He is wearing a fashionable clothes. Repair verb and noun فعل واسم معناه يصلح. Repair كverb. The mechanic repaired my car last week. ميكانيكي صلح لي عربيتي الأسبوع الماضي. Repairs noun معناها إصلاحات. I need some repairs in my apartment. أريد بعض الإصلاحات في شقتي. عندنا some important expressions and prepositions. Cut something away يقطع أو يفتت. Solve a problem يحل مشكلة. Give reasons for يعطي مبررات لي. Get together يتقابل. That sounds useful or good يبدو مفيد أو جيد. That's a shame يا للأسف. That's a pity هذا مؤسف. Do sports يمارس الرياضة. Go online يتصل بالإنترنت. Present a solution يقدم حل. Make videos يصور مقطع فيديو. Give it a try myself أجربها بنفسي. What life was like كيف كانت الحياة. Prepositions made of مصنوع من. Made of مصنوع من. Lots of a lot of كثير من. Walk around يتجول. On the west bank of في الضفة الغربية من. On walls على الجدران. Bad for سيء لي أو ضار لي. At the end of the day في نهاية اليوم. In winter في فصل الشتاء. At the top في القمة. At the bottom في القاع. A model of نموذج لي. Get to يصل إلى. Work on يعمل على. At the same time في نفس الوقت.
The present simple tense is one of the most commonly used tenses in English. It's used to describe actions that are habitual, routine, or generally true. Here's an introduction to its formation and usage. Formation. The present simple tense is formed differently depending on whether the subject is a singular noun, a plural noun, or a pronoun. 1. For singular nouns and pronouns, I, you, he, she, it. For most verbs, you simply use the base form of the verb. Example, she reads books every night. 2. For plural nouns and pronouns, we, you, they. Again, for most verbs, you just use the base form without any changes. Example, they eat lunch together every day.
For the third person singular he, she, it. If the verb ends in es, ess, desh, dch, dx, or go, us to the base form. Example, he watches TV every evening. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, you change the y to I, and add the es. Example, she studies English on weekends. Usage. The present simple tense is used in several contexts. Habits and routines, describing actions that happen regularly or repeatedly. Example, I go for a run every morning. Facts and general truths, stating facts that are always true or describing general truths. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Permanent situations, describing states or conditions that are considered permanent. Example, she lives in London. Scheduled events, describing events that are part of a schedule or timetable. Example, the train leaves at 9 a.m. Narrative present, using present tense to describe events in a story or narrative. Example, Alice sees a rabbit and follows it down a rabbit hole.